do projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Agri Info Cloud-based Autonomic System for Delivering Agriculture as a Service. So now coming to the introduction part. The Agri Info Cloud-based Autonomic System for Delivering Agriculture as a Service heralds a new era in agriculture by merging cloud computing, autonomous capabilities, and server-oriented approaches. This innovative system has the potential to redefine the landscape of modern farming, fostering sustainable practices and bolstering food security and elevating agricultural efficiency to new heights. The term autonomic system reflects the self-management and adaptation capabilities of the platform. So now coming to the introduction part for this project is to service seeks to transform agriculture into a data-driven, autonomous and accessible domain. By capitalizing on cloud computing autonomy and service-oriented approaches, the system aims to enhance agricultural practices, optimize resource utilization, and contribute to sustainable farming practices that address the challenges of modern agriculture in an increasingly dynamic world. Additionally, the system aims to foster autonomous decision-making within the agricultural domain. By incorporating autonomic capabilities, it can adapt to changing conditions and make informed decisions without constant human intervention. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirement, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDE, the 3.7 version is required, and MySQL Workbench is required. Now coming to the methodology part, first home. The home screen serves as the main interface of the application or website, providing users with an overview and navigation options. This screen often includes a welcome page, featured content, and quick links to various sections or features of the platform. Second, expert login screen. The expert login screen is where authorized experts or professionals log into the Access platform. This type of login type typically requires a username and password combination or other forms of authentication. Second, officer login screen. It is designed for administrative or regulatory officers who have a role in managing or overseeing certain aspects of the platform. Similar to Express login, officers login require authentication credentials. Third, farmer login screen. The farmer login screen is tailored for farmers who are the primary users of the agricultural platform. Farmers log in using their designated credentials, gaining access to features and information relevant to their farming operations. This screen may offer tools for crop management, weather forecasts, market trends, and other agricultural resources that help farmers make informed decisions and optimize their yields. Fifth, user sign-up screen. The user sign-up screen is where new users can create accounts to access the platform's features and services. This screen typically requires users to provide essential information such as their name, contact details, and a secure password. Depending on the platform's requirement, additional information might be requested during the sign-up process. So now coming to the execution part, to execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder which is named as Agri Info, and this we are containing a folder with the name as PyCatch. And in this we are containing some Python files over here, and these are also the Python files which are containing the Python scripts in it. And the folder named as Agri Info app, in this again we are containing some folders, and these are the Python files which are containing the Python scripts in it. This is the Python file which is containing Python script in it. And this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So now to run the project, double click on run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. So here in command line interface, we can see after running manage.py file, the Django framework will post the application link locally at the default address and port unless configured differently. So here you can see that the link has been posted over here. So now I am copying this link. So now I have copied the link, and you can paste it in any of the web browser, and I have any of the browser, and I have copied it in the Chrome. So after pasting this in the browser, at the end I have to write index.html over here. And then just press the enter over here. So here you can see that we have this, we have on the home page over here, and here we have the option for agriculture expert login. Simply we just have to click on this, and here we have to write the username and password by when the user register over here. And another option, we have agriculture office login over here and the farmer login button. After that, we have the another option which is named as user sign up screen. So the user have to sign up over here. So here you can see that I have entered all the details over here, and now click on the submit button over here. So you can see that the sign up process completed. And now you can click on agriculture expert login button to get the login screens. So here just enter the username and the password which I have generated while registration. And now click on login button to log in with this. And now click on agricultural office login screen over here and simply just enter the username and password which I have made during registration. And simply for the farmer login screen over here. So here it is showing that welcome admin, and click on just OK. So here you can see that view schemas over here, and ID, scheme name, and this all are entered over here. And by clicking on the logout button, you can log out with this. Here you can see, here you can post your query, anything that you want. Here you can also enter the image for cropping, and just simply click on submit button. Here you can choose your crop information over here. Suppose I am choosing view soil information, just simply click on submit. Here you can see the details of the soil information. Now click on view query button. Here you can see the query that I have entered over here. Suppose my query is ABC something. So here you can see this is the demo query I have entered over here. And now click on view schemes over here. Here you can see the query which I have written earlier. And this is the logout option. Here you have simply log out with this. So now coming back to the conclusion part, in essence, the Agri information cloud-based autonomic system not only envisions a future where technology and agriculture harmonize, but also pioneers a paradigm where data, autonomy, and accessibility converge to empower farmers and stakeholders alike. As it tries to address the evolving challenges of modern agriculture, it reinforces the notion that the fusion of innovation and sustainability is integral to securing the future of our global food systems. The accessibility of advanced insights and services break down barriers that previously hindered small-scale farmers from embracing modern technologies. This inclusively aligns with the broader goal of fostering food security and equitable development across diverse agricultural landscapes.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.